Okay, I'm going to show you how to solve for this rectangle 12 by 5 on a geoboard. You can see I've got it, the same one up that you've got on your screen. I'm going to go to the geoboard at the apps mathlearningcenter.org, which is the link in your PowerPoint, so you can use that. And then I'm going to come up here, I'm going to make my rectangle. I want it to be 12 by 5. So I'm going to start here, and I simply just, again, pick up and drop, okay? So I did that. Now all I have to do is take it and go as far as I need to go. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's right. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I want to do the side that's 5. So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, that's not enough. I got to come down and do 5. Make sure that you line them up properly, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to go and make this same line down here. So all I have to do is bring it up and bring it over. Then the next, bring it up and bring it over. Now I have all 4 sides of my rectangle, and I want to check them one more time to make sure I counted correctly. So this side is supposed to be 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know this is 5, so I know this is 5. Now let's make sure I have 12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. And because this is a rectangle, if this is 12, I know that this is 12. So now what I want to do is I want to label my rectangle. So I'm going to come to the drawing tool down here. I am going to click on the writing tool, and I'm going to label it. I'm going to label this one 12, and I'm going to label this one 5, because I know that's what their side lengths are. Now I want to multiply. I want to figure out what is 12 times 5. 12 times 5 is a tricky one for me. So I'm going to break apart that 12 into an easier number to multiply by with 5. I can do a couple of things. I can multiply 10 times 5 and 2 times 5, because I can break this up into 10 and 2. Or I can even break it up by doubles. And since in my video example I showed you how to do it by place value, I think this time I'll show you how to do it with doubles. So I'm going to mark out my 12, and I know I want it to be 6 and 6, right? So because 6 and 6 is 12, but I need to break it apart down here too. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to draw a line right down the middle there for my 6. That should give me 6 here and 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I could draw the line. I could also easily bring, I hate when I do that, bring a rubber band up and let it divide it up. Either way is fine. Just don't exit like I do and make it disappear. That was a mistake. But if you do that, you can see how I did that. Watch. I accidentally made it disappear, but I can bring it right back by clicking on the pencil again. Okay? All right, so there it is. So now I have 5 times 6 here. Make sure I have my pen. I have 5 times 6 here. And guess what? I have 5 times 6 again. So really, I only have to solve for one multiplication equation because I've got the same equation in both boxes. Well, I know that 5 times 6 is going to be, let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 5 times 6 is 30. Well, if 5 times 6 is 30 here, it's going to be 30 over here too. So now I have this box, or this rectangle, is equal to 30. I have this rectangle is equal to 30. Now I have to add the two totals together to get the total area of the entire rectangle. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say 30 plus 30 equals what? Well, 3 plus 3 is 6. 0 and 0 is 0. So there it is, 60. So I know that 5 times 12 equals 60. I can go back to my project now, and I can answer this one to say that it's 60.